Hi there, welcome to lesson 3 of the Instructor tutorial on how to tutor on the iAfricaCooP educational platform. In the previous lesson, we went through the registration process and how to complete your profile. In this lesson, we are going to be looking at how to add a new course. The lesson is divided into two parts, which is course information and course lessons and quizzes. Let's go on to our dashboard and click Add a Course. It will take you to the back-end dashboard. This dashboard, only the tutor can see this. This is where you manage your courses, either when you are editing or adding a new course. At the top left corner, if you are a member of other iAfricaCooP sites, they will all appear here. Then we are using Tutor LMS software to manage our courses. First things first, we need to enter the course information, starting with the course title. Our course title is Instructor Tutorial. You can enter whichever course title that you are teaching. For example, if you're going to be teaching grade 1 English, you will write on the course title grade 1 English. If you go down on this empty space, this is where you will enter your featured image. This featured image will appear on all your on that particular course. When students are scrolling down courses, the information that will appear is your name and your picture and this featured image. On the right hand side, you can select the course category. Skip this for now. This part, this publish box here. Let's go to the course categories. You select whichever category that applies to you. For example, if you are going to be teaching a Botswana curriculum, English grade 5 Botswana, you select Botswana category and your course title will be grade 5 English. For the purpose of this course, there are no categories created yet. We only created the basic education categories for all the countries, but we haven't created any other categories. So after we submit this course, the admin will have to create a category for it before publishing. If we go down the page, the tutor setting, if you want to make the course available to the public, meaning that no enrollment will be required, you can just select that box. But if you are selling the course, you just leave as is. Everything else you leave as is. If you go down further on the page, you come to the excerpt where you will have to enter the summary of your course. In this case, how to teach on the iAfricaCooP. How to teach on the iAfricaCooP educational platform. The author is already there. Next, you need to set the maximum number of students that can enroll for your course. If you leave it at 0, it means that there is no limit. Ideally, you want to enter a number that you can manage, because students will be asking questions and they will be submitting quizzes, and you need to attend and make follow-ups to all of those. So select the number that you can manage. Online is easier to manage more students online, but there is a limit to how many students you can attend to. If you are selling your course, you will have to adjust here, but we will deal with this on monetization of the course. And this part will be dealt in the second part of our lesson, which is adding lessons and quizzes. So if you keep going down, we need additional information about the course duration. You look at the total time that will be required for the student to complete the course, including the tutorials, the video tutorials. You add how long the videos are. You need to have a calculator for this, and you also have to include the time that you would have set for quizzes and any other time that you think a student might need for the purpose of completing the course. I have set the course at 50 minutes after adding all the videos and the other relevant course material time needed to complete that. The benefits of the course: ability to teach on the iAfricaCooP platform. Here you list the knowledge and skills that the students will learn after completing this course. On the requirements, you want to enter any additional requirements that a student needs, or special instructions for the students. For example, if you are teaching grade 5 English, you would want to add the additional requirements that a student should have completed grade 4 English for them to enroll in your course. Your targeted audience, now the instructors. And again, if you are teaching grade 5 English in Botswana, so you will have to write targeted audience are the grade 5s in Botswana. Materials included, you will have to list all the material that you are going to be providing the students, including the videos, the slides, and any other material that you're going to be providing. And then on the last part, you can add a course introduction video. You can choose whichever platform is hosting your video. In this case, I am using YouTube. So you go and copy YouTube video URL. So you have to go and fetch the URL, copy, and okay, this is not the video I'm looking for. You have to go, I need the introductory video. So this is the video. I copy the link and paste it there. So that's it. And finally, it's the instructor. Okay. This feature of aid, you can actually have more instructors teaching the very same course, but at the moment this feature is disabled. We will activate it as time goes on. So that's it for the first part of lesson 3, where we have been adding a new course. On the second part of lesson 3, we will be adding the course lessons and the quizzes. See you next time.